Here we are with Mega. We've been out of town this weekend and we're just getting back and she's just getting ready for bed. So we thought she'd be pretty excited to see her bed. Excited to see your bed? Yeah? She does what we call the floppy fish. Ready? Yeah, that's what you usually do in bed. You ready? Not a very good videoer. Okay. Good night.
You ready for bed? You ready for bed?
Hey, floppy fish. Are you so excited? Oh, there's your blankie. Good night, Boogeroo. Good night, little buddy. We love you. You love your blankie and your thumb. Oh. Dead shadows.